What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody is doing well today. It's a lovely week ahead, and there are some opportunity that has already been identified. It's gonna be a beautiful week, and we're gonna try our best to follow as much as we can. But for this week, we're just gonna focus on pound US dollar and also on US dollar card, because I feel like they're the one that are gonna provide the best and the most amazing opportunities for us to partake in. So without further ado, if you have not been following me on X, I suggest you do so, because that's where I'll be posting and updating you about the trades, like the ones that we're explaining right now. When I enter them, they're all just gonna be on my X account, so it's better you go there and then keep up with it. So without further ado, let's just get in the price action and what we're looking forward to doing. So without further ado, as we can see, we see that pound on its own has been bullish. We see big expansion to the upside, but there was this gap right here. I suggest you go on the daily time frame, use it as a warm wick, and I'll always do this so you can get in sync with the chart and have a deeper understanding with price action, so you can be one with price action. So the market expanded up, but look at this, it failed to take out to get into this gap right here. There's two levels right here, fair value gap on the daily time frame, and we see the market pushing back down. Okay, and notice one thing, as it's pushing back down here, it's not pushing like in a big ranges like this. No, it's just pushing nicely like this. That's what we are looking for. That's what we are trying to get in sync with. And in our retracing, we're retracing into the daily discount BASI here, and also there's a smaller Yana fair value gap here. So what I'm watching is to see if the price is willing to get here, or any idea that I will see on the lower time frame to be a buyer. I'll take this market and I will look for these levels to be traded to as a drawn liquidity. Now US dollar card, this one is the bigger time frame, so we're gonna have to deal with it. Okay, so the market expanding to the downside, and it expanded to what? An order block. Okay, these levels, this candlestick, that's where the banks bought before. And now, as they are trading back into it, we want to see if they're going to have a potential retracement. And if we're going to be retracing, we're going to be retracing back into this CP. Why? Because there was only selling here. So put this, there was only selling into a bullish order block. And if there was only selling, and the market needs to be balanced, like buy side has to get in. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm thinking. I want to see price getting in here and then staying here for some time, not for a long time, maybe trade to the midpoint right here, and then after that look to take out the sell side down here. But I'll look to get in the trade, counter trade to get in these levels, and then I'll look for a trade again to exit here. All those trades will be executed on my X. I'll like put them live as I'm taking them, and all the management, everything will be done there. So you better follow me for more insight about these charts and so on. But remember, again, all these trades, ideas and everything are done on what? On a demo account. So the risk is on you. Okay, if you want to follow the price action and what I do, you have to take up the risk, because I'm not entitled in your accounts, in what you're doing in your daily base life, like especially when it comes to trading. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I just share my knowledge and what I know. So be cautious, and also just follow price, study. I suggest you study, just as you follow me, you study and see how we do and move around here. Without further ado, let's talk next time. Take care.